Hi, I'm Andy Mack from Akai Professional. I'd like to welcome you to our new Advanced Controller Keyboard and VIP software training video. So now that we've installed VIP and we've scanned our VST library, let's have a closer look at the VIP software. Now I'm running VIP standalone, but we also run as an AU, a VST, an RTAS or an AAX plugin inside your DAW. So if you're a Logic Pro X user, Ableton, Pro Tools or Studio One, you can basically run VIP as a plugin and have the same functionality to control all of your VST plugins and access all of your presets directly from the advanced controller keyboard hardware. So inside VIP, it gives me a list of all of my plugins that I have available. So we can see everything from Absynth, Alchemy, FabFilter Twin 2, FM8, Hybrid 3, Massive, Contact Player. Then we have all the instruments that are inside Contact. So we have Alicia Keys, Berlin Grand, Damage, E Instruments, Spitfire Audio, everything that's associated to the Contact platform. And then we have these subcategories if we're searching for particular sounds, so we can narrow down our search. So if I'm inside Massive and I want to find my basses, I can then select bass, and I can do the same then in, say, Absynth. And then I can again narrow down my search, and I can do this for everything. So if I'm looking for pads or I'm looking for string sounds, again, it's very, very fast to access sounds instead of having to pull up the plugin, go to the menu, and then manually search through everything. And this is all accessed directly from VIP and the advanced controller keyboard. We then have plugin here. Now, basically what this does, this shows us the UI of the plugin. So as you can see, I have Contact up here, and then I can scroll through all the different instruments of Contact. But again, these can be all accessed from the browser here. So let's go to set lists. Now, this enables me to basically build folders of all of my favorite sounds. So if I'm a live keyboard player and I'm doing a gig, I can then take all the sounds that I'm using on that performance and basically categorize it. So I could go to set list, I could create the name of the songs and all the sounds that are associated to that song. I could do my whole set. And for a studio environment, I can create folders like I have here where I have my favorite pads. I could have my favorite bass sounds or my string sounds, and then I can drag each plugin from each preset into my set lists. So as you can see here, I've got sounds from Massive, Absynth, Twin 2, and I just literally select them live. And as you can see, the UI is switching between each one of these different sounds that I've got on my set list. So it's a very, very powerful feature. So let's move down to the bottom of VIP. We have got 3 parameters here. Now, this is where we set up all of our own controllers to the 8 macros. So we have 4 banks of 8, and then we can basically reassign any of the parameters to the plugins directly to the control layout here. We then have our keyboard and RGB pads, so we can audition our sounds directly from here. Then we can go to multi-mode. Now, the great thing about VIP in multi-mode is that I can layer up to 8 VSTs in one instance of VIP. So I could take all my favorite plugins from, say, Massive, FM8, Hybrid 3, Absynth, and layer them all together in one instance of VIP, and then basically set the note ranges on each of those plugins as well if I'm in a live performance, and then you can save these patches as a multi, so you can create some of the biggest multi-layered sounds, which is very, very time consuming to do inside your DAW.